Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable automatically sharing a story on Facebook to Instagram Story. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Step 2. Tap on Create Story, located on the left side of the screen, to begin creating your story. Step 3. Capture a new photo or video using your device's camera, or choose one from your gallery to use as the content for your story. Step 4. After selecting or capturing your content, feel free to enhance it by adding text, stickers, or other effects to customize your story. Step 5. Once you're happy with your story, tap on Privacy at the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 6. Scroll to the bottom and locate the option to Always Share to Instagram. Toggle this option off to prevent your story from being automatically shared to your Instagram story. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Facebook story is not automatically shared to your Instagram story, giving you more control over your content sharing across platforms. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to disable automatic sharing of your Facebook story to Instagram story. Enjoy managing your story sharing preferences and maintaining control over your social media content.